It was veggie time last week. Let's discover some fruits and berries. What I have for you in Master Azerbaijani word of today is QARAGİLە. QARAGİLە. QARAGİLە is bilberry or blueberry. I'll give you a little tip, but first phrase and sentences. Phrase first. Təzə QARAGİLە, fresh bilberries or blueberries. QARAGİLə mürəbbəsi, blueberry jam. Mürəbbə is a jam. In Azerbaijan, you will see a jam made out of, I don't know, whatever comes to your mind. There's a jam for it. There's a jam for eggplant, watermelon, walnut. I mean, use your imagination and ask them, they'll make it for you. It can be jam as a spread, or it can be, you can see the actual pieces of the fruit. All right, enough of that. Let's discover some sentences. Qəbələnin yüksək dağ yamaclarında öz əllərimizlə yığdığımız o təbii qaragilə meyvələrinin dadı hələ də damağımdadır. Let's see. The taste of those natural blueberries we picked with our own hands on the high mountain slopes of Gəbələ is still on my palate. A tip about QARAGİLə. QARAGİLə is actually a combination of two words. If you take it a literal translation, qara means black. Gilə means, the one single count of the berry, that basically. Now, QARAGİLə together, however, it means blueberry or bilberry, depends on how you call it. Now, Gəbələ is a beautiful place, beautiful city in Azerbaijan. Highly recommended to visit, yes. Very touristic. Gəbələnin yüksək dağ yamaclarında, on the high mountain slopes of Gəbələ, dağ, mountain, yamac, slope, yüksək, high, okay? Combination, Gəbələnin yüksək dağ yamaclarında, on the high mountain slopes of Gəbələ, öz əllərimizlə, with our own hands, yığdığımız o təbii qaragilə meyvələrinin dadı, yığdığımız the ones we picked, o təbii, those natural, qaragilə meyvələrinin dadı, the taste of, in this sentence, to make it sound right, you can either say o təbii qaragilələrin dadı, qaragilənin dadı, but the official writing, the structure of sentence, it demands that I use meyvə, fruit basically, meyvələr, fruits. So, o təbii qaragilə meyvələrinin dadı, the taste of those natural blueberry fruits, in this case, the literal translation, but if it's fine for English, the taste of those natural blueberries, hələ də damağımdadır. It's still on my palate. Gəbələnin yüksək dağ yamaclarında öz əllərimizlə yığdığımız o təbii qaragilə meyvələrinin dadı hələ də damağımdadır. Nice sentence. Let's see another one. Sizin üçün meşədən xüsusi olaraq yığılmış bir qap qaragilə gətirmişik. Ümid edirəm ki, dadı xoşunuza gələcək. Let's see what does this mean. We brought you a bowl of blueberries specially gathered from the forest for you. I hope you will like the taste. Let's see. Sizin üçün, for you. In this case, sizin üçün, because technically sen is you singular, siz is you plural. But there's also, when you want to say siz in a respectful manner to someone older than you, someone you respect a lot, someone you don't know. In this case, you will not say you, sen, you will say siz. So what I mean in my sentence is that one. For someone who you respect. Let's say, I don't know, your mother-in-law. You will say siz, unless she asks you to switch to sen. Now, sizin üçün, for you. Meşədən, from the forest, xüsusi olarak, specially for you basically. Yığılmış, specially gathered. Bir qap, a bowl. Qap, a bowl, a plate. In this case, bowl fits nicely. Qaragilə gətirmişik. We brought actually, if it's better, bir qab qaragilə gətirmişik. We brought a bowl of blueberries. Sizin üçün, for you, xüsusi olaraq, specially for you basically, gathered from the forest, meşədən yığılmış. Ümid edirəm ki, I hope, dadı, the taste, xoşunuza gələcək, you will like it. Sizin üçün meşədən xüsusi olaraq yığılmış bir qab qaragilə gətirmişik. Ümid edirəm ki, dadı xoşunuza gələcək. Okay? That was my way of using qaragilə. Let's see what I have for you, fun use case. My smoothie is 90% ambition, 10% qaragilə. All right. Come back tomorrow for a brand new word. If you don't want to wait and want to learn more, there's masterozerbaijani.com and the Master Azerbaijani app for you. Otherwise, see you tomorrow.